Hey guys, welcome back to TechMan. Today, let me show you Habitica versus LifeUp, best habit tracking app. When choosing the best habit tracking app, Habitica and LifeUp offer two very different approaches to gamifying your daily routines. Habitica transforms habit building into a full RPG experience, letting you level up your avatar, complete quests, join parties, and engage with a community of users. Tasks, dailies, and to-dos earn XP and rewards, while missed habits reduce your character's health, making accountability fun. It's cross-platform, open source, and deeply gamified, though its interface can feel decluttered and sometimes community features have waned. LifeUp, as in contrast, offers a streamlined, Android only approach with lightweight gamification. It emphasizes grouping routines, multi step habits, and offline usability, rewarding progress with experience and allowing simple reward logic. While it lacks social depth and web version, its minimalist ADHD friendly design makes daily habit tracking intuitive and distraction free. Ultimately, choose Habitica if you want RPG style motivation and community engagement, or Life Up for a clean, offline, hassle free experience. If we've been helpful, kindly give us a thumbs up and don't forget to hit the subscribe and bell button for more contents. For any questions and suggestions, comment down below.